Ever wondered what it takes to truly succeed on YouTube? When I embarked on my YouTube journey back in 2011, I was searching for the exact same answer. Years of experiments from multiple channels and learning from each failure and celebrating every victory has taught me the essential strategies that spell success on this constantly changing platform. Let's unravel the blueprint together, from creating your first channel and crafting your first video to building a thriving channel that stands out from the rest. This is about turning your YouTube aspirations into reality, one solid step at a time. Before we jump into it, let's go ahead and talk about making smart choices. And speaking of smart choices, we've partnered with Mint Mobile to share how they're revolutionizing the wireless world, offering premium service without that premium price tag. For example, have you wondered why in the world is my wireless bill so high? Well, Mint Mobile is here to show us that there's a better way. For as low as $15 a month, you can get access to the nation's largest 5G network, unlimited talk and text, and all the perks of premium wireless without that unnecessary cost. The switch to Mint Mobile is incredibly easy too. With digital eSIM technology, many of you can actually make the switch directly from your couch in as little as 15 minutes. And for those of you needing a physical SIM card, well, Mint Mobile can send you one for free too. So don't stick with the old way of doing things that's overpriced and complicated for no reason. Visit trymintmobile.com/howtotech to get premium wireless for $15 a month. My wife and I made the switch over a year ago and we absolutely love it. And I mean, who doesn't like saving money? All right, let's get back to the video, but make sure you check out Mint Mobile, linked in the description down below. Let's start at the very beginning. Your channel's foundation. Think of this as laying the groundwork for a new house. Without a solid base, everything else crumbles. Choosing a solid channel name and creating channel art is extremely important. This is where your channel's identity begins to take shape. So be intentional with your channel art, your name, and other things that you create for your channel when starting out, and try to convey the content you plan on uploading. Researching other channels in your niche could prove to be very valuable in identifying common themes. Speaking of your niche, this isn't about boxing yourself in. It's about finding your corner of the YouTube universe and aligning your passions with what the world is eager to watch. So finding your niche can feel a lot like searching for a needle in a haystack, yet the secret kind of lies in drilling down into what we like to call sub-niches. For example, instead of building just a gaming channel, a channel might focus on something like retro gaming or retro gaming on a budget. This can dramatically increase your channel's relevance and appeal in the niche. With our foundation set, it's time to build up. Creating and optimizing content is like choosing what to fill your house with. It's not just about what you like, but creating a space other people want to visit. Generating ideas can feel like staring at a blank canvas. So to come up with new video ideas, start with your interests, trends in your niche, community feedback, and leverage tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends. Those last two can help quite a bit if you're not sure what to make videos on. And while production quality matters, don't let the lack of fancy equipment stop you. It's your authenticity and clarity that will truly resonate with your viewers. Remember, the best way to get better at making videos is to make more videos. So start creating with the equipment you already have, and be sure to check out tutorials on better and more efficient ways to use that equipment. Navigating SEO is like setting up billboards to your content. Keywords, titles, and descriptions aren't just technicalities. They're your way of extending an invitation to your viewers. Keep in mind that there's some awesome tools out there like vidIQ that can help take the guesswork out of making your videos more searchable. Check out this video here to learn more about vidIQ. Now imagine your house is built and it's time to throw open the doors and start inviting people in. Building engagement and community is about turning those viewers into guests, inviting them into your world. The heart of your channel is its community. Answering comments, asking for input, and being genuinely involved turns one-time viewers into loyal fans. It's about creating a dialogue with your community, not a monologue, so keep them involved. Leveraging YouTube's community tab and live streaming features can transform passive viewers into active community members. Sharing behind-the-scenes photos or polling viewers about what videos they'd like to see next keeps your audience engaged between uploads. And like any good host, consistency is key. Posting consistently sets a rhythm for your audience. It's like your favorite TV show. You know exactly when to tune in. This reliability builds anticipation and forms viewing habits, which can significantly boost your channel's growth over time. Finally, the only constant on YouTube is change, and it's changed quite a bit. Adapting to YouTube's changes is crucial. For example, when YouTube introduced Shorts, creators who quickly embraced the format saw a significant engagement boost. It's about finding opportunities in every update and trend. So keep an eye on trends, algorithm updates, and new features. Being adaptable doesn't mean losing your identity as a channel or a creator. It means growing with your audience and the platform. And remember, challenges are just opportunities in disguise. Every obstacle is a chance to learn, improve, and ultimately to connect more deeply with your viewers. For example, if you have a video that doesn't perform that well, then reach out to your viewers, ask them for feedback, and adjust your content based on their suggestions. As we wrap up this journey from laying the foundation of your YouTube channel to fostering a community that grows with you, remember that what we've covered today is just the beginning. Your YouTube journey is unique and it's filled with endless possibilities. If you found value in this blueprint, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into mastering YouTube. And while you're at it, check out this video here on 15 insane tools every YouTuber should be using. It's packed with resources that can transform the way you create content, engage with your audience, and manage your channel. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you luck on your road to success on YouTube in 2024 and beyond. Remember, every great channel starts with a single video, so make yours count.